But there were two other questions or comments that kind of tied into what you were talking about. How, the value of the kind of the symbiotic relationship between AI and big data, which I think is a great beacon of hope for us, because otherwise we'll never be able to crunch that data and we will never have the true value of it. I'm a big proponent. One of the things that I do on a consulting level is I've over the last 30 years been helping creating PMOs, and I'm an adamant advocate for PMOs. Do all my PMO clients now have to worry with artificial intelligence that they're going to lose their job?
I would think that for small projects, the PMO may have a less of a role, but still for those more complex initiatives, I think it will end up being hybrid.
Can we go back to your Maslow pyramid to give PMOs hope?
Yeah, well, I personally think PMO teams who are very multifaceted. I've stood up quite a few PMOs in my time. That it just means that the artificial intelligence function and process that will take over certain PMO roles into the future will mean that PMO services, they can service maybe more projects.
They're more powerful. Their capacity is augmented through artificial intelligence. They're spending less downtime with the administrative part of it. Yeah. So it's an acceleration tool.
It's that shift. Yeah, acceleration tool. It will only work if it's going to be something that will bring a form of advantage. But for me, it means a PMO, for example, could easily start to then spend more time from a validation and verification of information lens, maybe even an assurance lens.
And maybe also implementing and strategy and stuff like that.